Today is day 294 of the year of streaming and learning to code. We are continuing on with project number 3, coin toss. Still chipping away at this. Again, the last couple streams have been rather short. Today's stream probably going to be short as well, as we're trying to balance attending TwitchCon in our schedule. So it is, I don't even know. I knew we were going to possibly have a late stream, but we've got some terrible hour in the morning. It's almost 1 a.m. 12:54 a.m. and everything hurts right now. We should be asleep because we have day 2 of TwitchCon ahead of us. So, and day 1 was exhausting. We are looking for something about the overall win rate. Let's crack open our example code. Take a gander at that. Coin toss. Click on the buttons. The stats change. So does the chart. Tons of fun. That's what we're shooting for. Here, though, is what we are dealing with. Yeah, good. That. Pasting. This is our catastrophe. She's a work in progress. But as far as the functionality goes, actually as far as most everything goes, I think we've tackled pretty much everything. There's only a couple things regarding the JavaScript side that we haven't implemented yet. One of those, which is what that's gonna be our primary focus for this stream, is the overall win rate. And then I'm not sure if it will be tomorrow's stream or after TwitchCon, because tomorrow's stream will still be day 3 and we're going to be equally exhausted, if not more so. But we'll need to add the chart. At least we're going to try to add in the Google chart stuff. So that's what's to come. Did we figure out... We added the top result statement, right? When we click on stuff. We did. Look at that. Heads and tails. And oh, look at that. 2 for... Okay, there we go. Now we start to lose. Yeah, good. But see, whatever we click on changes. Beautiful. Stats change accordingly. Percentages are where we need them to be. Fantastic. So now we get to do overall win rate. Hey there, little kitty. Look at you. You tired? Did we wake you up? Yeah, it's 1 a.m. I don't know why we're awake right now. We should be asleep. Oh, look at that. Yeah, who's got your ear? You like your ear rubbed? Yeah, you don't. Yeah, you don't. Look at you. Oh, so good. What did you do today? Well, I was at TwitchCon. No idea. Probably just napped all day. Good. If I could have done the same thing, I would have too. Who's got your face? Steven does. Yeah. Alright. Good times, little kitty. Hey, princess, why don't you go nap over on the bed? Because we are trying to solve this problem as quickly as possible. And you're starting to right-click with your foot. Oh, God. No. Tiny cat. Hey. Oh, Jesus. Look at this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hey, watch your toes. Team effort. No. Stop resisting. Embrace the rage. 1, 2, 3. Feel the love. And over to the bed. Oh, God. There we go. That was not graceful at all. Are you already heading back, tiny cat? Please don't head back out. God, you're determined. Just hang out on the bed. All we have to do is figure out the overall win rate, which we already know the formula. Topher gave it to us, and it's fairly straightforward. Even without his extremely handy hints. Watch your face. Oh my god. No. Oh my god. It's okay. You know what? We're gonna pretend little kitty isn't here. Her vision's based on movement. If we stop moving, she won't see us. However, I think she's going to keep rubbing her face on the mic regardless. We're just everyone pretend little kid. Oh my god, why must you rub your face on my fingers? You're furry and you're committed. I mean, both of those could be good things. Neither is great at 1 a.m. or 12:59 or 0:59 a.m., wherever you are in the world for time preferences. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Hey, 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 we're gonna move you. I don't know why you're so affectionate right now. All we're trying to do is a basic thing. No, 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 no. Fracture claws 1 and 2, and hey, go to the bed. Wasn't trying to scratch you on the bed, but good. Oh, explore the darkness. Be in your element, little kitty. Alright. We probably have like 6.5 minutes before she returns, so let's do this. Oh god, what were we trying to do? That fucking cat. He's so distracting. What am I looking at? Overall win rate. Overall win rate, we've got our hint stuff. Overall win rate percentage. Hint, win rates can be calculated for each coin side by dividing the number of times the side was selected into the number of times the selection was correct. That was for our first set. Actually, that would be over here. The average win rates, like so. These and this, right? So now we're sort of combining all of that. The overall win rate will be the total number of selections divided by the total number of games. So we need to sum heads selected and tails selected, and we need to sum heads 1 and tails 1. I'm trying to think when and where we would call this. Because we ended up putting heads win rate, the percentage, inside our first nested if. And then we ended up putting the tails win rate. Sorry, not this one. This is the example project. That one's flawless. Here's ours, the hilarious version. So to get it to function correctly, we had to put it inside the nested if statement for both. I think we can do the overall one beneath that, just above coin, right here on line 54. At least I'm hopeful. Maybe not specifically right there on line 54, but in that part of the neighborhood. So we want to do head selected copy plus. This is gonna end tragically. We're gonna be in tears before we solve this, I just know it. This should be a straightforward thing. But because it's so damn late, there's an extremely high percentage that we are going to totally fumble this. Total selected. See, we figured it out. Hate coming up with variable names. Selected. Total selected. Maybe we could do overall selected. Overall selected. Overall 1. And then overall win rate. For consistency purposes, I think overall is better. Because see, we have the same 3 heads selected, heads 1, heads win rate. Same song and dance for tails, tails selected, tails 1, tails win rate. So being a crazy person, it's comforting having it all be the same thing. So overall selected, followed by overall 1. Yeah, there we go. Oh, look at that. Everything feels better. The universe is spinning with less resistance. It's great. Little Kitty's not destroying things anymore. Everyone's happy. What are we supposed to be doing with the overall 1, though? Wow, our mind is just, I can feel it deteriorating. We should be asleep right now. No, we definitely don't want to add it right here in the middle of line 47. That would be tragic and sad for everyone involved. Copy. This. There's that. And now we get to do some dividey things. Overall win rate. Did we have an overall win rate variable? We do. Right here. Good times. Now, what should we do with the following? I guess we can just call and create these variables down here. I really don't think that's going to change anyone's day. Having these two. I mean, yeah, we could set them up here with the rest of the herd, but again, it's 1 in the morning. We don't care about anything right now. We're going to live dangerously. Overall win rate equals overall selected. No, overall 1 divided by the following. Copy. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. Now, should we... See, now we need to do this with it. We need to transfer it from JavaScript over to HTML. Didn't we have a span tag? We do. Look at that. We planned ahead of time. Oh, good, Steven. Yes. Passed me from 3 or 4 days ago. Such a good job. I'm so thankful I did that. Now, let's go ahead and we can just take any of these really and get away with it. We'll copy that and we'll paste that right under here like so. Except now we get to have, whoa. We've got like, first of all, we spent overall incorrectly. This is closer to overalls, which haven't been needed for quite some time. Tiny cat, try not to destroy anything. Your toes of destruction are kind of in the crossfires of the keyboard. Now, what was I looking at? Right. Let's go ahead and take you, copy, and we're just swapping out the general noise that isn't related to overall. Is that all we needed? That is all we needed. Good. Let's go ahead and save this. Save. We can implement the following. Tiny cat, watch yourself. And let's go ahead and give it a happy little parentheses to go along with it. Let's save this and then we can refresh our page. Save. Refresh. Look at that. We've got our zeros. We've got our percentage. My concern is when we go to click on it, if it's going to give it a non-number. But the only way to find out is to go for it. Okay. that should be a 100. And then it should be at 50%, and it should be changing from here. So we totally missed our turn. Damn. What to do? What to do? Overall selected. Blank, blank, blank. Maybe we should establish the variables higher up. Or maybe... Damn. Outside the else? That's weird, right? That's weird. No one wants to do that. No one wants to be that guy. If I were Steven and I wanted to put something somewhere, I would want the following to happen. 1, copy this, set that up here. Selected. So it's not so much what we've set up. I mean, technically, all of this noise that we've thrown in is correct. The problem is where we have it. Kind of like how we had the heads win rate and the document get element by ID and all this noise. Same with tails below in this section, and it was problematic. We had to move it into these sections. Maybe we need to have it for both? I feel like that's strange, putting both overall... the overall win rate into each nested if statement. Won't that cause problems? I'm trying to think it through, but I have zero mental functionality right now. Let's see. Well, hold on. Let's continue trying to clean up our code slightly. Oh dear lord. Not that. Copy, copy, copy. Here we go, here we go. No, no, look at that. We already had an empty space saved. Totally missed it. We've got those 3. Overall selected equals blank plus blank. Overall 1 should equal blank plus blank. We're dividing overall 1 by overall selected. Fair enough. And that should happen with each click event. See down here, flip for each function. So looking for the button. Button has the event listener, and when we click flip coin, the function flip coin is run, and all of the noise inside of flip coin should be executed accordingly. We've got some prep stuff here that happens. Maybe it should be set up top, kind of like the result for you picked blah and you picked blah. I don't think that should happen. Let's comment out this noise. Let's take the rook. This is all terrible. The spot that I want to put it in is where it's at. I want to just have it be here and have it work. That's where it should work in my mind. But clearly my mind is wrong. Let's see what happens if we have it in this section. Do we need to set up a nested else? If else, else, If else again? That sounds awful. Little kitty, what would you do? Oh my god, little cat, she's just licking herself. That's not gonna help anyone. Can you see little kid? No, she's... that little blurb, yeah, that ghosty ball of nothing. That's her. Okay, okay. What to do, what to do. We were gonna try, even though we don't like the idea of it, we are going to try and paste it here. Maybe a nested else would work. Just seems kind of odd. I mean, I guess it kind of makes sense. If it does that, else this. My concern is that when the if runs, when it wins, that it won't run it. Maybe we need to have it in both spots or each. We're losing our mind. Oh my god, we're going in circles. Someone needs to put us down. This is tragic. Okay, okay, let's get rid of this. Commenting out. Ta-da! Beautiful. Let's save. Good, good, good. Did we reference the wrong thing? We did reference the wrong thing. Oh, look at that. It's overall with an A. Oh, you stupid sack of motherless, unloved sack of mother. Okay, but we figured it out. Typo hell, but we figured it out. So, overall win rate. Crap. So, let's just take this and plaster that everywhere on the other page, just to make sure. Oh, we're updating the right thing. So we didn't need to bury it in both sections. Just awful. Sad, sad person. Let's get rid of this, shall we? Clean that up. We can get rid of this noise as well. Oh dear lord. Oh dear. We're trapped. The webcam is blocking everything, and then we have to go around the mic to get around the webcam. No, 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 and we can't highlight with our trackpad. Brutal. It ain't easy being green. Ask Kermit. What am I doing with? I literally each synapse that's occurring in my mind is happening individually, one at a time right now. Okay, okay. That's been cleared up. Everything here will be fine. We just need to... I can see it. Oh, no, crap. That's not a problem. One of these is broken. All of those are fixed. This one's wrong. Now we're good. Okay. Theoretically, everything should be fine now. Oh, let's run this. Refresh. Here it goes. Big money. Ah, it worked. Take that. Steven for the win. Yeah, look at that. Uh-huh. Be excited. That's the high point. That's it. Because now we get to end the stream. We survived. Oh, thank God. We did it. Holy hell. It was a typo. The typo was the roadblock. Damn. And we set up the span tag days ago. And we even celebrated that we set up the span tag days ago. Wrong. Shouldn't have celebrated. Could not have celebrated that early. Anyways, look at this. We got all this good, fun stuff. I think we're going to save adding the head stats and tail stats for tomorrow's stream. That'll be another quick, sort of easy, basic one since we've got limited time to knock these streams out during TwitchCon. But then the stream after TwitchCon, once that's over and done and we've caught back up on sleep, we should be able to add in the Google Charts, because I'm pretty sure that's all that's left. Aside from the add-in animations and transitions, we'll see about that. I definitely think tackling the Google Chart, though, is a worthwhile proposition. So that is it for day 294. Let's go ahead and commit and push our code to GitHub. Okay, so we've got this. Let's open up OBS. Add in desktop. There we go. Our desktop app. What did we do? We did over. I almost want to capitalize the E. Except they're going to think we're crazy if they see a stray capital E there, right? We'll just do it normal. We'll know the truth, though. Overall win rate. That was tonight's goal. Overall win rate. That's as good as... Oh my god. Oh my god. We've lost all control of keyboard commands. My mind isn't connected to my hands anymore. Just they're randomly flailing on the keyboard doing things. Overall win rate. Commit to master. And push. Resolving details. You know what I just realized? I don't think it says resolving details. I think it says resolving deltas. We've been saying details for like, what, 2.5 weeks now? It's just such small font. It's gray text on a gray background. We'll check again. We'll check again, unless our eyes are blurry and we're just completely falling apart, which is extremely likely. So there's that. Let's back out of this. We can check GitHub briefly. Coin toss stuff. Ta-da! A minute ago. JavaScript and HTML up to date. Beautiful. Progress saved. Let's go ahead and back out. Diving into OBS. Thank you again to anyone and everyone who stopped by to view the stream today. Whether it was accidentally stumbling in to view the stream, any and all views are greatly, greatly appreciated. Day 294 comes to an end. However, the adventure continues tomorrow with day 100. We are falling apart. The adventure continues tomorrow with day 295 of the year of streaming and learning to code. In the meantime, are you sure you want to stop the stream? Hell yeah. Kill it.